Well, we're
Nervous.
a little nervous, scared.
Ponch and Lettie have been coming to the El Paso County Courthouse for months, fighting for the right to raise their great niece, Juliet.
Hopefully this is it, and hopefully the judge will make the right decision that she belongs with us, because she's family.
But Juliet's foster parents also want to keep custody of her, hiring their own lawyer, Tim Eyrich.
Good morning, Your Honors. My name is Tim Eyrich.
Back in 2012, he successfully argued in front of the state Supreme Court that foster parents deserved more rights when fighting for custody of children.
I don't think it's lost upon this court as how difficult these cases are.
This is about relative and kin placement of a child, House Bill 1024.
However, Colorado's new kinship law went into effect in August of this year, removing some of those foster parent rights.
This makes some changes that prioritize the best interests of the child and make it easier for children in child welfare to be placed with their family.
The new law is definitely crafted to prioritize kin.
Ponch and Lettie's attorney, Annie Martinez, hoped the change in law would ensure Juliet coming home with them.
That was the intended purpose, was to prioritize these people who have connections to the child's culture, heritage, family of origin.
Juliet's case demonstrates the obstacles faced by many families when fighting for their kin in court.
Specifically, the court found that they hadn't made reasonable efforts by not reaching out to this family when they had the family's information for, I think, over 100 days.
Concerns about bias came up in August when the judge halted proceedings to assess the sobriety of the guardian ad litem, or GAL, the attorney assigned by the court to represent the best interest of the child. That person appeared to be intoxicated during the hearing. According to court documents, quote, the cross-examination by GAL is stopped by the judge when questions of the GAL's sobriety arise.
It's just concerning that there wasn't more weight added to that. We didn't get to restart the hearing. We just picked up where we left off.
5 days later, the GAL's employment was terminated. And now, after 3 months of court hearings, the judge, citing attachment injuries, has sided with the foster parents.
I don't have no words because this is a child that we know she belongs with us.
The fact that this child got placed in the same foster home that they were in before, and it is a foster home where one of the parents is a former employee of that Department of Human Services, this child never stood a chance of going to any family.
From day one, they told us she was never going to come to Texas. No matter what we did, she was never going to come to Texas.
And I know she's not coming with us because, I don't know.
Ponch and Lettie now plan to appeal and start the fight all over again.
My worry is that this child is losing an opportunity to grow up in biological family, immersed in their culture, in their heritage, in their race, in their language.
With photojournalist Anna Hewson, I'm Courtney Yoon, 9 News.
The termination of the parental rights clears a path for the foster parents to officially adopt Juliet. Ponch and Lettie are hoping to at least stay in contact with Juliet as she grows up.